Okay, team, I've faced some issue with the computer. That's why these things are happening. So that maybe I will merge that video on this video again. So what we are talking in the previously. So what is happen in the memory? So just refresh this. Just put the breakpoint somewhere here and observe carefully what is happening. Okay, this is anonymous. That means a global execution context. Okay, and observe carefully what is because already memory allocation is completed. So for hello JavaScript, for a value is undefined, right? A value is undefined. And observe carefully what is the value of hello JavaScript. Observe carefully the alphabetical order. Just scroll down. Definitely you will found that hello JavaScript. Okay. So observe carefully. What is the value of hello JavaScript? It is undefined. It is undefined because a value is also undefined and the hello JavaScript value is also undefined. But a say hello value will be a function definition, right? So 1 minute, I will do one thing. I will give a prefix for this one so that it will also come to the top so that we can observe everything at a single position. So now observe carefully the global scope. Okay, here the JavaScript engine allocated memory for three things. One is a hello JavaScript and a say hello. So observe carefully here in the global scope and window object. A value is undefined and yes hello JavaScript value also undefined. Only whenever you just define the function a statement at the time it is allocating the memory for that function in the memory allocation phase itself and it is storing the function definition. But whenever you are treating a function as a expression function, whenever you go with a function expression, whenever you use a function as a variable, then the value of that function, okay, in the memory allocation phase, it is undefined only. Okay, so now memory allocation phase is completed. Okay, you see when it comes to the second line, nothing to do here. Now console.log, so you will get the output whenever you invoke a console.log of a. So because right now we are in execution phase, so in execution phase a value already will, so once we execute this statement a value will be 10. And whenever observe carefully a say hello value also, you will get the function definition here. Yeah, hey hello JavaScript. And observe carefully the function statement. Okay, here it is showing like a say hello, right? But here it is not showing any name because we didn't give any name for this. This is anonymous function, but we are storing as a variable. We are using as a variable. Okay, lots of things are there very close to each other, and if you understand things properly, it will be okay. Otherwise, it will be a very confusing thing. But don't worry, just watch the videos one again and again and read some documentation. You will get the more knowledge. So right now, you don't need to worry about these things. So now because now if you see in the execution phase once you execute this line where a is equal to 10 a value will be 10, it will initialize a value be 10. And anyway a hello JavaScript is a variable and now in the memory allocation in the execution phase it is allocated that memory. That means it will hold that function definition here as a hello. And now this already function statement already in the memory allocation phase itself it is holding the function. Now console.log of a10 say hello, it will invoke the say hello and it will give the output. Observe carefully in the call stack whenever you invoke this function. So we have a say hello execution context is there, and now it is going to go with the two phases again, memory allocation for a say hello function and execution for a say hello function, because anyway it doesn't have any variables inside that, so that it will execute hello JavaScript and it will give print the output Hello JavaScript, we don't have any problem so far. And now, because once you come out of that function, the execution context is also gone from the memory in the call stack. And whenever you invoke hello JavaScript, now this is also same, because whenever you invoke the hello JavaScript, because I think we have changed the name. Sorry. So here you should invoke in this form, so that what will happen? Okay, it will also invoke this function. It will create the execution context on top of it, and it will print welcome to JavaScript world. So that is also going to be happen. Just refresh, reach the same point. Okay, so now right now I will explain one more time in the execution phase. Okay, before execution phase, a value is undefined and a hello JavaScript also undefined. And once you execute that line, a value has become 10, and a say hello value also have that function definition. And now whenever you do console.log, it will print that, and whenever you do console.log, yeah, it will print 10. Whenever you invoke a say hello, observe carefully, whenever you invoke the a say hello, it will create an execution context on top of it. Okay, and it will complete that take care of that a say hello, and it will print in the output like hello JavaScript. And come back and now focus on, okay, once you come out of that a say hello, execution context is also gone from the call stack. You should observe carefully. If you debug along with me, then only you will understand. And now we are going to invoke a hello JavaScript. Now first time we are invoking the function which we are using as a variable. So what is the difference? So nothing. So if you see here, just invoke this a hello, hey, hello JavaScript, and okay, it has created execution context for that also. And if you have anything, any memory, any variables inside that, it will allocate the memory. It will follow the same steps. And now whenever you execute it, you will get the output as welcome to JavaScript world. And once you come out of that function, even that execution context is also gone from the memory, and the code execution is completed. Okay, then what is the problem? If you don't have any problem, why we need to discuss this much? There is a problem, means there is some difference whenever you invoke these things. Okay, here before initialization. So let me call these three things before initialization. Now you can guess what is happening. So previously we understand that even if we invoke this console.log of a before initialization, we got undefined, right? In few minutes back. Okay, we got undefined. Whenever you invoke the a say hello, we don't have any problem. We got hello JavaScript. But now if you invoke a say a hello JavaScript method before initialization, I'm saying before initialization, okay, whenever you consider the hosting part, because at the time whenever you're invoking the console.log of a at line number 19, the value of a is undefined, and the value of say hello has a function, so that function definition is there, so that it has invoked, it has created execution context, it has done everything. But what is the value of a hello JavaScript variable whenever you are trying to invoke it? I'm not doing console.log of a hello JavaScript here. Because what is the value of a hello JavaScript here? Just observe carefully. What is the value of a hello JavaScript at this particular point of time? Okay, in the memory, that is undefined, right? Undefined. So if the variable is holding undefined, how can you invoke it? How can you invoke it, right? So whenever you invoke this function, it will throw an error, right? Suppose you can't do here, this is also same. If you write a, what will happen? It will throw an error, right? A is not a function. The value of a is undefined. How can you invoke undefined? It's not possible, right? So that it will throw an error. This is also same. Right now, it is normal variable. It is just holding undefined. It is not holding the function definition. When it is going to be stored, the function definition. Okay, once you execute this line, we have two phases, memory allocation phase and execution phase. In the memory allocation phase, the value of a hello javascript is undefined. When it comes to the execution phase, once you execute this one, then only the value of the a hello javascript will be a function definition. Till that time the value of this is undefined only, and now whenever you invoke that a hello javascript, it will throw an error. Okay, let's see whether it is really throwing an error or not. Just refresh. Okay, already it's throwing error, but let me debug so that you will be happy. Okay, okay, memory allocation phase is completed. Observe carefully, what is the value of a, that is undefined. What is the value of a say hello? It has a function definition, but a hello javascript, it is undefined. It is undefined because we are using a function as a variable. So what are the rules for variables, normal variables a? The same rules will apply for that, because in the memory allocation phase it is going to hold undefined only. So console.log of a, because the a value is undefined, so we don't have any trouble. At least it is giving undefined. Okay, that is a valid output. Okay, it is following the hosting. Now whenever you are doing a say hello, we don't have any problem. It will, because a say hello have a function definition already available in the memory, so that it will go and it will invoke that function, it will finish that one, and it will print the hello JavaScript, and it will come back to the line number 22. Where is our output? Okay, here you'll see the output as a hello JavaScript, and come back to the most interesting part for today. Now we are trying to invoke a hello JavaScript, but observe carefully, in the memory a hello JavaScript value is undefined, and you are trying to invoke like a function. If it is a function, if it is a function statement is already available, it will invoke and it will do all the process. But right now the value of a hello JavaScript is just undefined, and whenever you try to invoke it, it will throw an error. It is saying that uncaught type error. A hello JavaScript is not a function. Please guys, so far this hello JavaScript is not a function. Okay, we can invoke a, if you want to invoke it, it should be a function. But till now, whenever you are executing the line number 22, by the time the value of a hello JavaScript is not a function, that is undefined, so that I can't do anything. I will throw an error. What is the error? Uncaught a type error, and it is clearly saying that a hello JavaScript is not a function, right? So that we can avoid, we can't invoke the function like a say hello, right? What do we need to do? But here, whenever you invoke here, you will get the output as welcome to JavaScript world. We don't have any problem. We don't have any problem. Okay. Here we should understand clearly that if you want to use a function as a variable, okay, like a function expression, you can't invoke it before initialization. Only you can use it after initialization only. Whether it is an advantage or whether it is a disadvantage, we can talk that later. But today's session, we should understand what is the difference between the function statement and function expression. Okay, let's see if anyone is there in the live. I will ask the confirmation, because most of the students are just going for examination, so that they are not able to join. Maybe few students are not interested to join. That is their choice. We can't do anything later. But today's session, we should understand. Yeah, if anyone watching, just give me confirmation whether you guys understood or not. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. And of course, we are going to learn a lot from functions because yesterday we understand that function, statement function, expression, anonymous functions, named function expressions, right? And first class citizen, first class functions. And today we understand the difference between the function statement and function expression. And in the sequence, we are going to understand what is arrow functions. Before going to the arrow functions, because arrow functions are and classes are introduced in 2015. Yes, 2015. Okay, that means ECMAScript 6. But before that, before introducing them, lots of interesting stories are there in the JavaScript. What is a factory function? What is a constructor function? Okay, what is iffy? Okay, lots of things are there. So we are going to learn everything. Everything means everything. So here, this is not like job oriented kind of training. Okay, this is like we need to learn everything in JavaScript. Then automatically job will come to you. That's my plan. Okay, that's all for today, and see you again tomorrow with another beautiful concept. Till then, bye bye.